Welcome to Myotherapy Healthcare. Hi, this is Laura Lee. I'm a nutritional herbalist and a myotherapist, which means I work on muscles for the outside of your body and teach you how to work on yourself so then you don't have to be in pain. And I also teach you how to cleanse and nourish the inside of your body, like your organs, your stomach, your liver, your kidneys, and your colon especially. I also am just giving you little tips and ideas on how to take care of yourself proactively on a daily basis. So fish oils. If you've been curious about fish oils, I have been too. So I decided to find out about fish oils. So I'm just going to read you this article that came from Aurora Grande Whole Foods Market in Aurora Grande, California. And this is not for to consult a professional medical physician. This is not to give you any kind of ideas. This is informational only. Inuits, Eskimo, natives, fish oils. Inuits, Eskimo natives of Greenland, have 42 words for snow, but have none for heart disease. This is because any form of heart disease is rare among them, according to the book of A Healthier Heart for Life by Dr. Carolyn Shreeve. In Western nations, she points out, heart disease is the principal cause of death. A series of medical tests has proved the effectiveness of pure fish oil as a powerful preventative measure against the development of cardiovascular problems. The Inuit, which translates to eaters of raw meat, live mainly upon the raw and cooked fat and flesh of seal and fish, writes Shreeve. This diet contains a large amount of beneficial factors found in fish oils. Fish oils contain what are known as omega-3 fatty acids, which consist mainly of EPAs and DHAs, which are essential fatty acids. These are present in high amounts in such high-fat content cold water fish as mackerel, albacore, and yellowfin tuna, cod, rainbow trout, herring, chinook salmon, grouper, shark, sardines, and swordfish. According to the Council of Responsible Nutrition, a person needs to consume at least 1.5 pounds of such fish per week, roughly a half a pound about thrice weekly, in order to get the recommended amount of omega-3 fatty acids the body needs. For those who dislike eating fish, fish oil supplements that contain the beneficial omega-3 fatty acids can be found on the shelves of your local health food store. The habitual ingestion of fish oils, whether it is from broiled, healthily prepared fish for dinner, or from daily supplementation, may impose several considerable benefits, mainly for your heart and circulatory system. According to the book New Supernutrition by Richard A. Passwater, Ph.D., some fish oils have been indicated to help normalize blood pressure. In his book, Passwater tells of an experiment performed in 1986 by researchers at the London Chest Hospital. They studied 16 patients with mild hypertension. The patients, who were given max EPA fish oil capsules for 12 weeks in the beginning of a placebo-controlled crossover study, had an average blood pressure of 160/94. 6 weeks of the placebo yielding virtually no change. The average blood pressure was noted at 161/94.5. After 6 weeks of ingesting max EPA fish oil capsules, however, the average blood pressure dropped to 151/92.5. The researchers concluded that fish oil supplementation may provide a safe, more acceptable treatment for patients with mild essential systolic hypertension who are reluctant to embark on drug therapies, Passwater writes. 3 years later, he adds, Drs. Howard Knapp and Garrett Fitzgerald of Vanderbilt University confirmed that high doses of fish oil reduce high blood pressure in men. 50 milliliters per day of fish oil lowered the systolic pressure by an average of 7 points. The aforementioned EPA and DHA are beneficial for other areas of the human body as well. As Undue Erythemism, author of Fats and Oils, explains in his tome, both EPA and DHA are normal constitutes of some human tissues, including brain cells, synapses, nerve relay stations, retina, inner ear, adrenals, and sex glands, all the most active tissues in the human body. Both EPA and DHA, which is in fish oils, can be manufactured slowly by the human body with the essential omega-3 fatty acid, lithinic LNA, which is found in soybeans, walnuts, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds, Aromas notes. EPA and DHA, which are unsaturated, exhibit a strong tendency to disperse. This tendency compels them to move away from the similar molecules and therefore assists in dispersing aggregations of saturated fatty acids. Therefore, EPA and DHA help prevent saturated fatty acid deposits and cholesterol from gluing up arteries, as well as preventing platelets from becoming sticky to result in clean arteries. No clots, no cardiovascular disease. They also lower blood pressure by about 10 points, Erasmus states in his book. EPA, additionally, in the fatty acid from the body produces PG3 family of prostaglandins, as reported in fats and oils. Members of this family have very potent anti-clogging properties, as they can prevent the occurrence of strokes and heart attacks, as well as circulatory system problems involving clot formation. According to the Nutrition Desk reference by Robert Garrison Jr., MARPH, and Elizabeth Sommer, MARD, preliminary research of fish oils found them to possibly help rheumatoid arthritis, cirrhosis, migraine headaches, vision, and yeast infections. And as reported in November 3, 1994, New England Journal of Medicine, researchers at the Mayo Clinic have concluded that fish oil supplementation slows progression of kidney disease. Virtually all sources admonish consumers to check with their physician or holistic health counselor before self-prescribing fish oils. So, there you have it. You can go ahead and check out fish oils. Why not? It seems like it helps a lot. We natural healers have known that that has helped a lot for a long time, but I believe that it's wonderful that people are realizing that food is our medicine. Now, vegetarians wouldn't like this too much. I don't really, I use hemp oil myself instead of fish oil, but if you are a person who eats meat and doesn't mind, check your fish oil out, make sure it's high quality fish oil, and maybe compare it to the hemp oil, omegas. All right, love life, and life will love you back. We'll see you in the next video. Hope this helps. Like and share. Comment if you want.